I'm here with Sam Winters from Eastern Rural. How was the Dalby cattle sale today, Sam?
Yeah, thanks Tanya. Combined ages this week yarded 6,800 head, which is an increase of 300 on last week, with Eastern Rural bringing in 700 of those. Overall, the market was a shade softer in most categories, except for your heavy bulls, which saw a 30-cent rise this week. Now for your quotes.
Bullocks over 600 kilos this week range from 410 to 440 cents to average 423 cents a kilo. Feeder steers between 400 and 500 kilos range from 406 cents to 522 cents to average 481 cents. Heavy heifers range between 356 and 450 cents to average 417 cents. Prime cows over 500 kilos range from $2.50 to $4.10, average $3.75. Your medium cows 420 to 500 kilos range from 278 cents to 385 cents to average 361 cents a kilo. No quote on store cows this week. Heavy bulls over 600 kilos range from $3.70 to $4.63 to average $4.28. Your light bulls under 600 kilos range from $3.70 to $4.10 to average 400 cents. Your yearling feeder steers 300 to 400 kilos range from 388 to 538 to average 494 cents a kilo. And your yearling feeder heifers 300 to 400 kilos range from $3.60 to $4.74 to average $4.27. Your weaner steers below 300 kilos range from $4.06 to $5.32 to average $5 a kilo. Your weaner heifers below 300 kilos range from 408 cents to 472 cents to average $4.46 a kilo.
Eastern Rural will be selling third next week, so get your bookings in nice and early.